Hi. In this guide we will talk about how to disable Windows Update temporarily and permanently. To disable Windows Update temporarily, simply go to Settings, Windows Update and click on Pause for 1 week. It will disable Windows Update for 1 week. But if you want to permanently disable Windows Update, simply go to Start menu, search for Services and open it. Now look for Windows Update service and disable it. It will permanently disable the Windows Update unless you click on Retry in Windows Update or re-enable it manually. Disabling Windows Update not recommended though, considering you will be missing security updates. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.